Hello, Tony. All right. Here is your 636 SA sitting on my 48 flathead. Testing and adjustment have gone well. No leaks, no runs, no errors. All right, looking good. Let's look down inside. Yeah, nice and dry. Liking that. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Go. Yes, sir. Still nice and dry. Okay. Well, let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at about 675. I like it between 650 and 700. Now fuel pressure's about 3. Vacuum, look at there, 23. Beautiful. And there's my dwell. And a little better than 42. That's all right. All right, let's pull it through a few times. See what she does.